How are you feeling, guys?
To your kids, family.
Did all alright. Had no need to fight. Tonight. Fucked and drank all night. Acted all alright. Had no need to fight. Tonight. Cast me far away. Play these little games. Acting all okay. Today. Cast me far away. Play these little games. Acting all okay. Today.
How was your experience?
That was awesome. First, the boat totally flipped, and then I went under the boat, and my head started bobbing on the boat waiting. But Kuldeep, awesome job.
Thank you, ma'am. And you are?
It was unbelievable. I thought I'm going to save myself by sitting in the middle, but the whole boat went up and down. I went on the boat, held onto the rope, came up, and then Kuldeep and Neeraj rescued us. So, such a good job, Kuldeep.
Thank you, ma'am. And
I have never missed air more than these.
that's it.
This is the best experience with my clients. और मेरा 40 to 50 rafting हो चुका था, and this was my the last wish that like we should flip, and today it came true.